Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
A little birdie told us, "Hi guys, yo, yabo, there's always some drama, something going on, even in closed doors, sort of. So a little birdie told us, get some rumor is going on, ukuthi advocate Mshololo Uzandi might part ways with accused number 5 Ufiso Kuhlentuli. Cause sisters is never at court, guys. I'm just like, I know what she's doing, like quite a few cases. There's a case that I know she's been doing since last year of another insurance analyzer. Some woman upper in the north. She was helping not that sergeant Wakakutumelu Rachel, no, not that one. Another one in the north somewhere. She's been doing that case. I know the case takes a lot from her, but she's the only one who's never there, which is not right. Because you can see you end up be joking about it, and it's actually not even funny. It's not a joke. It's funny how I've been joking about it for the past month at least. Ngithi mina how umshololo udla imali yase legal aid, but I didn't talk around ukuthi she's never there. She's just with this money for free, like she's not even necessarily helping or accused number 5. But she's more like uyayidla nje, but there's nothing there. Accused number 5 will never come out. Like, that's what I'm saying, because he has 6 life sentences. The stories about him. Nobody mentioned it there at ad hoc. Lawyer, officer in the sense of mayor case, no muntu vela akekho right. I've always been vocal about it as well. How Ubegicele will also add on that what I've been saying. At the end of the day, guys, I'll vouch for accused number 2, more especially, and 4. If ngaze kube khona much yabo, I will be there. I will be like, those 2, they must be acquitted like right now. Because we've always said ukuthi uMaphisa ngenza ini kubad, guys. Accused number 4. Undanzi wabantu wayesebenzela wenza ini kubad. They just arrested wrong guys. And then I'll just add in accused number 2 and add in accused number 3. But more especially for me, these 2. Accused number 2 and 4. Danzi and Maphisa. They must be acquitted in 13 Makvula, to be honest with you. And go back. Emahlabathini naGanango. They don't deserve this. But I've always been vocal about Ufiso Kuhlentuli ukuthi yes, he is Mkulukudu of Eskebank. Unama 6 life sentences, like I'm saying, Ubegicele even also mentioned it there at ad hoc committee. No, lawyer, sometimes what will happen is that they will release him to commit more crimes by high profile ranking people. But Puma, we will pay you this much and be our stabilizer. This is how much we can give you, Puma. And at some stage, Ubegicele says that he was actually given bail. Guys, when you have 6 life sentences, how do you get bail? So there's been that whole thing, he is definitely a Mkulukudu. And we are to do those in umsebenzi wakhe of being enkabilizer, basically. So I will then say how umshololo, guys, how does she even look at Nemale? So the reason then has been she is getting money from legal aid because umele Ufiso Kuhlentuli, but Ufiso Kuhlentuli will never come out of jail. Will never come out of jail, and especially after Ubegicele mentioned it that Madlanga vela ngakasaphuma ever again, But the main thing why I think Umshololo stayed was to clear his name around Senzo, because at the end of the day, guys, whatever happens, Ufiso Kuhlentuli, guys, did not analyze Senzo. They will just get at these guys by Ubrigadier Kininda through Zugu's lies They were just like, about 5, you are our bunch. We will make up a story. We will cook. We will do everything to make it look like you did actually unalive Senzo when you didn't. That's how ufisa ukuhle ntuli comes in. Umsholo is just like, let me just clear his name. And ufisa ukuhle ntuli comes there every day without fail because he's just like, I didn't unalive this time. Maybe I might have, done other crimes in my life, but this one has nothing to do with me. And I'm gonna stand up and be like, no. You remember how he was also making jokes there with bayamhlupha Khoshumampuru fanele transfer to look up, right? They've never Judge Rata has actually made a ruling right in front of us quite a few times, just like baze bafika those rogue correctional services employees, quite a few of them. But I know listen to this is claiming with some shire simenza izinto ufisa ukuthi ntuli we don't do that. Wasi njoba waziwahlekwe court wathi ufisa ukuthi ntuli namanje mangihamba my lord basasongishaya inkosi enkantolo lapha wabakhomba wathi lona lo that are actually beating me up there. They mooring me there in at CMAX. Ngifuna ungimovela lock up me. They haven't moved him. That's another one. So it's two things. Umshololo, there's a chance ukuthi they going to part ways because apparently Vele ufisa ukuthi Nkulu has been vocal about it ukuthi sisters, he's never there for me. Now we see it. Urata stopped asking ukuthi where's Umshololo? And then Advocate Zitulele Nxumalo will be standing up for her, but that's not enough, guys. You're never there emotionally or physically for that's how we feel. So how are you taking imali say legal aid? Legal aid also is like, no, guys, must just leave us now. We can't be paying her this late. Because I'm sure you're pala in that whatever they use maybe to write. I'm going to clock in once a week, clock in 2 weeks, I didn't clock. So how much is that? Because Umsholo is busy with other case, guys. Just leave office alone. Hlambeke. Ngoba Advocate Charles Minister is always taking everyone like how he took accused number 2 when he was actually representing only accused number 3. Manje sezofana mhlamba thathe no accused number 5. Who even knows, guys? But nje ufisa ukuhle ntuli akanamuntu, guys. Umsholo is not there for him at all. Ngapha uDlemala say legal aid, she's in trouble with them. They like, please, you never in court for him. I need to not say kokela for him. You never there for him. So there's been that rumor again. Like I'm saying, a little baby was this is what's going on around the circles. Zalama advocates. Kwenzakala kanjena ngo-advocate uZandile wakamshololo. You know how I feel about uZandile Mshololo. I just think she's the most powerful person for being South Africa in law as a woman. I'm just like, I've said it so many times. Just this one again now where I'm like Nabi feeling like some type of way. I'm just like, but I've been saying it, but I haven't really been, I'll just say it in passing. A week ago I said it, I was just like, lady, but I've never really said ukuthi I've just said nje ukuthi usehlalele accused number 5 chowing the money, but accused number 5 will never come out. We all know that. It's been presented to us so many times. It's like, please don't vele uyisigibeko. So how is it? But he's clearing his name. It's important, guys, and he can do that anytime he wants. He's allowed to do that. Because Ugininda Azati, who is one of the masterminds. Kelly spoke to him on the 15th of October before this whole incident happened on the 26th of October 2014. Wati Babe Pizno Fiso these two, Ukeli Kubalo and Fiso Ntuli. He was going to give Fiso Ntuli imali. There was a 30,000 for Runtans. I'm just like, please stop. Those people don't know each other. Share pants. There's nothing like that. We are made to believe rubbish in that court every day. Bas down our throats. Cabanga sebangaka South Africa uzosifoster into enje. Busy cooking, fabricating, and manufacturing. Uzositshela ukuthi thina we must believe Zungu's lies, and they just not working out those Zungu's lies you saw with Ndanzi. And Ndanzi has just been polite, guys. So many times he tried. Just I think on the third, fourth week, he just became another person. I was just like, Lali Labalui, I'm actually tired of you. I don't care what you think. No man, you lying. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. Those are lies. But he doesn't have to, guys. Like I'm saying, he doesn't have to sugarcoat anything. Gundant. He's telling his story, and his story is the truth. We're also learning other things. Actually, other SAPS employees can be rogue, and they have been left in South Africa instead of protecting them. Brigadier Geninda gives you that picture. Candy power. People can just do however and whenever they want, they can do in the right hand. So guys, I hope I did break it down properly for you. What's going on with them, and the whole thing at the end of the day, uRatha did rule ukuthi lo muntu akahambi ayohlala lokho basambekile Cimex, and it's powers from above above esikaGininda bakithi above ngoba Gininda had this relationship esiyaziyo the correctional services. He was just controlling them. It was just like at some stage in 2024, it's just like it doesn't even work for them. But bezwa ngayo kanjani guys eHoshimapuri bezwa ngoGininda. And at some stage into yakhona was rubbish today. They were like, hayi basizwa ngalowo muntu uthini. I was like, kodwa nizwa ngayo ukuthi ubani fanele imfake ku-solitary confinement. Accused number 3 was in solitary confinement in 2024. We just don't know now. Ngoba our little baby hasn't told us ukuthi uhlala manje. Uhlala kanjani. But he was in solitary confinement. What's umlisi kanjani when he's not convicted yet? Oh, guys, kuningi. So besiqedelele futhi later nangama comments. Thank you so much, guys. We don't have a live today, guys. We are on like a little break, but I said on the 12th, on Sunday, we will have a live. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel and subscribe, guys. Over.